To share your Wi-Fi access from or to your Samsung Galaxy A05, first let's connect this Samsung Galaxy A05 to my Wi-Fi network using my Xiaomi device. So what we're gonna do is open our settings. Then select Wi-Fi, and right here on my device I just need to click on the Wi-Fi like this, and then there's a QR code and I need to scan it to actually connect to that network. So what we're gonna do on our Samsung, also open the settings, move to connections and select Wi-Fi. Make sure it's enabled and then select the QR scanner, code scanner on the top, and now scan the QR code on the other device on your Samsung. And as you can see, now we're connected to the same network. And now if you want to scan your network on Galaxy A05 from other device, you can click on the Wi-Fi here again. And then there's a QR code. You need to unlock your device. And then just scan it right here to connect your other device to the same network as your Samsung Galaxy A05.